Hi, it's Shandy Autry. Glad you're here because it's pizza day on the 1 Minute Kitchen. Pizza lovers, this one's for you. It's pizza with racing stripes. Here's what you'll need. 2 16-ounce packages of pizza dough, store-bought or homemade pizza sauce, some pepperoni, and instead of mozzarella, this one has jack cheese for a punchier taste, and then a little olive oil and salt. Combine the 2 packages of dough into one ball and then start stretching it out. Lift it onto a baking sheet and pull it to fit the pan. Then make divots in the dough just like focaccia bread. Pour a little olive oil over the dough, make more divots, and sprinkle with salt. And then load on the shredded jack cheese. Make 2 racing stripes with the pepperoni and spoon the pizza sauce right over top. In the center, make another stripe with just the sauce. Get the oven high, about 450 degrees, and cook until the dough is crisp and slightly charred, just like this. Slice it up, cut it into squares, and dive into deep dish pizza for dinner tonight. Thanks for watching the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.